So I'm going to New York. I leave for the airport in about 3 hours. I have not started packing yet. Oh, I'm so stressed. Let's start with shoes. Yesterday I went and got these, which I think are gonna be good. Please forgive the mess I'm gonna be making this whole time. My life is falling apart. I am 100% bringing these boots. I brought these boots to New York with me a month ago. Did I mention already that I was just there? But it was way too hot. It was like 95 degrees every day, so I never really had an opportunity to wear these. Believe me, they're coming this time. I've also transitioned from wearing like nothing but black, even though you can't tell right now, to wearing a lot more like white, cream, camel, nude, whatever. So these are a must. And then obviously because it's New York and you're fucking walking everywhere all the time, I'm gonna bring flats. Should I bring my Crocs? I'm not going to. I'm gonna try and pack light. I am stressed. I think that'll do it for footwear. Now, bags. This is the bag I'm using a lot right now, so we're gonna bring this one. Not gonna lie, I am stressed. I feel like my life is falling apart. I feel like an everyday big bag, God, but this is like too big. And honestly, I'm not trying to carry around a ton of stuff. Okay, no to this. Maybe for like going out. I'm gonna put this in the maybe. A little Gucci, I think this is going for sure. I like this bag a lot. I've been having fun with this bag, but I don't know if I'm feeling it right now, to be honest. I remember I used this a lot last time I was there, but it was like summer. Do I still feel, maybe. I don't think Cheetah's even in right now, but for some reason I feel like bringing this. I don't know why. I actually thrifted this when I lived in New York. Okay, maybe pile also. Glasses. Let me not put my glasses on the floor so I can step all over them. I've only really got 3 pairs of glasses. I feel like these are a must. Yeah. I've been really into these lately. These are only $5. Actually, on camera, they look dumb as hell. Whatever, I'm bringing them. Then I have these. These feel very New York to me. I don't want to bring like my gigantic luggage, but also I feel like the problem with packing last minute is that you end up bringing like, oh God, why did I wait to the last minute? This is terrible. So what's another category? Jackets. I love how I like got this filming background, but I only bought 2 panels, and so this blazer is like pretty oversized on me now, but I still love it. I feel like nothing epitomizes like New York girl style like a blazer. Fringe jacket I think could be super cute over like a mini dress. I'm like, right? Is it amazing? This bolero jacket is fun. Like it's a little, you know, but like with the right, like, then like I kind of also want to bring this like vintagey looking like moto jacket. Like how cool is that? Oh my God, what am I doing? I'm running out of time is what I'm doing. Okay, I just recently bought this black denim jacket. So I feel like this needs to come with. Wow, you cannot tell I wear anything other than black. I mean, I used to not, so I guess that makes sense. I want to bring like my pea coat, like nothing like, I just said that about blazers, never mind. I was gonna say nothing epitomizes New York style like a long black pea coat, but what the hell do I know about New York style? Like really? Here's another one I'm torn on. I just thrifted and I know like exactly what outfit I would want to wear with it. Do I bring a different jacket for every outfit? Like that seems like overpacking. This is hard. I really should have done this yesterday. I don't know what I was thinking. And then I'm definitely bringing this, oops. I know I'm definitely bringing this beige cardigan. I have more jackets than days I'm there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we're gonna move on to tops. Oh yeah, that fits way better. These used to slide off my shoulders like so bad. God, getting close fitted to you is like so it. Did I say tops? Let's actually move on to bottoms. I'm gonna keep this top on and we're gonna play with bottoms. Okay. So first of all, this was a skirt that I wear all the time that was not fitting me very well anymore. And now I think it's perfect. I love my tailor. He always does such a good job. Okay, so this is a definite yes. I recently thrifted these amazing leather pants for $2. And I think I'm in frame. Okay, these pants, definitely yes. Recently got this little tennis skirt, which I feel like these are done to death, but at the same time, like, I'm just really into it. So we're gonna, yes, do that. We have this skirt, which I don't hate it, but I don't love it. I feel like it doesn't, it's not really doing me any favors. I think I'm actually gonna say no to this one. So fun fact, this is my mom's mini skirt. I stole it from her, but I don't normally wear it alone. I wear it with this little ballerina skirt. This I bought for cheap because I can't afford Orson Iris's freaking $5,000 ballerina skirt. I think I'm feeling yes on this one. Yeah, that's cute. That's a yes. Ooh. Okay. This is a top I just got. Yeah, even with a bra poking out though, I think this is cute. Yeah, I definitely want to bring this. Okay, so this is a yes. I am really into corset tops lately, obviously. Yeah, I'm not gonna do this whole thing. I think, I'm not sold on it actually. I like the other one a lot better, but yeah, I'll bring it. Okay, this one. Do I want to wear this one though? I've had this top for years and I also wear it under the same dress when it's like a, actually I think I'm not gonna bring this. Have a square neck bodysuit. I usually wear it with this exact skirt right here. I think I'm gonna put this in maybe. And then I've got two little black baby tees. I think I'm just gonna bring this one. Okay, first dress, I'm definitely bringing this. It'll work for night as well, like even though my bra is a little bit out. This with like black tights and then like the black strappy shoes. Like it's a certain kind of vibe, like I like it. But yes, this dress is a definite yes. Okay, so this is one of the dresses that I said just came back from the tailor. Not gonna lie, don't love like this little action happening right here, but this is one of those things that again, I think cute little blazer moment, and then I wear like the tights with the boots. You know what I'm saying? With this bag. Like, I think that's, don't get me wrong, this outfit has 100% been done, but you know, it's a New York vibe. You know what category I almost forgot? Hats and headwear. Okay. Yankees cap. I'm probably going to a Yankees game with Christiana, so yes. My Marlin Craft merch hat is something I wear frequently, so that's definitely coming. When I bought this, I thought I was gonna bring back like a Jackie O moment, and to be honest, I kind of, okay, like now that I put it on, I actually kind of want to bring it. Damn it. Okay, maybe. The whole headscarf trend, I tried it once. I just don't know if this looks good on me. I feel like I look like a pirate. I was actually gonna use this in an upcoming video about like cheap costumes. Okay, I'm not gonna bring this. And then we have this beanie. I think I look cute in this beanie. Dang it, but I just don't think it's gonna be cold enough. You know what, I'm gonna bring it just in case. Oh, and then of course I'm gonna bring a little claw clip and this little padded headband. I haven't worn this little padded headband in a while, but I think I'm into it right now. I think that's everything. Does that mean it's time to try on some outfits? How much time do I have? I feel like I am cutting it super close. I'm cutting it close. I really need to start putting stuff into my suitcase. Maybe you can watch me pack though. honestly tempted to take a nap, but I think instead I'm going to film my outfit ideas, including what I'm wearing right now. I'm sorry if these B-roll shots are like super awkward. I don't know how to do this. This is also a vibe, yeah? That kind of works. We put on a tennis skirt, like, you know. And then, same bag. Yeah, there you go. A little more contrast there. Let's start with this dress that I showed you the other day. Slightly oversized blazer. I think that is a vibe. Let me put some hoop earrings on. Hang on. Let me start by saying that if I were actually wearing this out, I would put socks on. But since we're just trying this on for fun, duh, right? Like, that's a look. I think this very structured bag with more gold like hardware. When it comes to fashion, I'm okay with safe and obvious. So we're gonna roll with it. Do we want to add one of these ball caps? I keep talking about like this New York style. Is that too much black? Wow. I never in a million years thought I would say, is that too much black? Who am I? And hang on, it's hard to get my elbow through this. I think this look says, do not fuck with me. I'm into it. Hi. Could we also do the fringe? I feel like that doesn't really work. Ooh, you know what? I do like that. The trench. There we go. Ugh. You're welcome for this like foot content kind of. I love black tights. It's so subtle, but it just makes the line look so much better, I think. Do we like that? That's much better, I think, yeah? So it's another little black dress. This gives me party, I don't even know. I wonder what would happen if I tried something more fun. No, that's like a little too much. I think we're just gonna go black, classic. This whole vibe is classic. An evening vibe, a dinner, Broadway show? I don't know. Oh yeah. And do I dare? I think I do. I think I like that. Something about this is just a little bit extra in a way that I absolutely love. I'm sort of giving myself like Catherine Mertui vibes. Like I go to Catholic school, but I also do like bad things when I'm not there. It's time for the skirt. So I think like we could do that, or we could do that. That still doesn't work because of the same problem I mentioned earlier. I don't hate this, but I think boots. Yeah, I like that, right? That's like more casual. You know? Little like Saturday morning walking the farmer's market vibe. This I kind of like. It makes me feel like I'm in Coyote Ugly. Casual, I like it. Simple, black little baby tee actually just makes me really, really happy. Sneakers, hat, baby gooch. And like that's something else. You know? Okay, not gonna lie, I'm having one of those moments where I'm like, wow, everything I have is black. But I sort of just had this realization that there are a countless number of outfits I could make with the combination of stuff that I brought. And not gonna lie, I am tired of putting clothes back on, taking them off, putting them back on. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm down to change my clothes one more time before I'm just over making this video, and I don't want to ever feel like that, so I'm gonna do that. All right, here she is. Long sleeve, square neck bodysuit with a wrinkly ballerina style wrap skirt and boots. Moral of the story, I don't have anything actually. You know what? No, I do have a moral. If we are intentional, if you think about buying stuff that works together, you can have a limitless number of outfits. I don't know. Anyway, that's it. Bye.